So, when we talk about the stock market participants, we are generally referring to some certain group of people who interact together and form a stock market basically. Because if they are not present, our stock market would not function. First and foremost is the stock exchange, that is the place where these securities are bought and sold, like Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. These are two of the biggest stock exchanges in India and which are regulated and are having a proper system in place. Then we have investors and traders. These are the people who are the savers of funds and investors of the funds. We have market regulator, that is SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is the governing body to ensure the fair practices in the stock market. And then we have the brokers who act as the middlemen between the investors and stock exchanges. In case you cannot buy and sell securities yourself, you can definitely take help from the brokers.